Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Blender add-ons for video editing pipelines step by step clearly.
Open Blender and navigate to the top menu. Click on Edit to open a drop-down menu. Select Preferences from the list. In the Preferences window, locate the Add-ons section on the left side. Click on Add-ons to open the Add-ons interface. In the top right corner, use the search bar to find the add-on you want to install. If you already have the add-on file, click on the Install button located at the top of the add-ons window. Browse to the location of your downloaded add-on file, usually a .zip file. Select the add-on file and click on Install Add-on.
After installation, the add-on will appear in the list of installed add-ons.
Check the box next to the add-on name to activate it. Once activated, adjust any specific settings that the add-on may offer. Click on the Save Preferences button at the bottom left to keep your changes. Close the Preferences window to return to the main Blender interface. To confirm the installation, navigate to the relevant workspace where the add-on functions. Test the add-on to ensure it integrates smoothly into your video editing pipeline. If needed, refer to the add-ons documentation for additional setup steps or features. You are now ready to enhance your video editing experience with Blender add-ons.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.